2018 was one of those years where time just got away from me, and this album wasn't completed until very recently. I got about halfway through the numbers, but that really only represented the end of November and the very beginning of December. It just so happened that we took 3 out-of-town trips in a row during that time period. And then when we returned, it was time to purchase all the gifts, do all the planning, do all the cooking and the cookie baking and all the things for the holiday season. And I just lost steam very, very quickly. Of course, I continue to take photos, but the bulk of the rest of our holiday season, the things that we did after those trips, was all scrapbooked in this continuation. I really focused on simplicity in the pockets, as well as mini layouts in the 6x8 size. I wanted to get the stories told as quickly as possible while still kind of creating a uniformity and completeness to the album. This one made sense to finish as is.